Many new homeowners would love to garden more in tune with nature. Hi, I'm Charlie Nardozzi for the Gardener Supply Company. I've got 3 simple solutions for one of the biggest problems home gardeners have, and that's with animals. Whether it be small animals or large ones, these solutions will work for you. I'm at a new homeowner's house. Her name's Lisa, and she has a beautiful raised bed that she's creating here. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Charlie.
You have a nice bed started here, but you were mentioning earlier to me that you have some problems with animals in your garden.
I do. I have voles that like to burrow and get my carrots.
Okay, yeah, voles and mice love to go underneath the bed and then eat the carrots and the beets. One of the simplest solutions is to use hardware cloth on the bottom of the raised bed.
Okay.
So put 1/4 inch hardware cloth on the bottom, attach it, and that way they can't get in.
Perfect.
Another nice thing I see you've done here with this bed is to make a taller raised bed, and that's a good way to keep rabbits out, for example. These beds have unique corners to them. Can you tell me about those?
Yeah, they're the lifetime raised bed corners from Gardener Supply. I was going to go with the 35-inch, but I felt that would be too much height with my tomato plants. So they have the 23-inch option.
Nice, and these corners are made out of metal.
Yes.
So they're going to last a long time. So those are 2 good solutions to have. Now, if you have taller animals like deer or birds and squirrels that can come down from above, you're probably going to want to protect your vegetables and herbs on top of the bed. So let's fill this one up and I'll show you one last solution.
All right.
You can use hay, leaves, grass clippings, any kind of organic materials to fill the bottom of the raised bed. And then you want to fill the top with a mix of topsoil and compost. A 50-50 mix usually works pretty well. You'll see as you're adding it, it will pack down that organic material, but it'll still save you a lot of space and a lot of money by not having to buy so much compost to fill the bed. Most vegetables only need about a 1-foot depth of soil to actually grow, so you can fill the bottom of the bed with other materials and just let the roots of those vegetables grow down about a foot or so, and they'll still grow really well. Lisa, you've done a great job filling up this raised bed, so now let's plant it.
All right, I'm ready.
What did you choose here to plant in your raised bed?
I got some parsley to cook with. I got some bok choy and some lettuce.
Nice, all good plants to have this time of year in your really cold zone 4 climate.
Yes.
So let's pop them in here. And of course, when you're planting in the fall, like we are doing here, you want to keep in mind the days to maturity of your plants and make sure that you understand that certain plants are going to grow very slowly and may not mature in time before you get a frost. So it's great that you selected these plants in particular because they're leafy greens, meaning you can eat these even if they don't mature to their full size. And that's going to be delicious to have.
I can't wait.
And some of these, like the parsley, are even frost tolerant. So, you might get a frost and they'll still be out here and you can still enjoy them.
Wonderful.
Now, the reason we planted these all in the center is that I want to show you the last solution for you for the large animals like deer, or for flying animals like birds, or even for squirrels.
Okay.
And that's the chicken wire cloche that we can just put right on top of this. As you can see there, fits right over them. It's great because it's a heavy-duty wire, so it's going to keep out animals really easily, but also it's open, so you get sun in there, you get air circulation, you get water when you're watering them or when it's raining, and the plants can grow up big enough so you can harvest them.
Oh, wonderful. Perfect.
So between the hardware cloth on the bottom, the tall raised bed, and the cloche on top, you should be all set keeping the animals out.
Awesome.